Mark's morning routine was secret. He would wake up at 6 a.m., grind some fresh coffee beans, and brew a strong cup of coffee. But his favorite part was squeezing oranges from his garden into a glass of fresh juice. The scent of citrus always invigorated his senses. As he squeezed the last orange into his glass on January 15th, he raised his glass. "Happy National Fresh Squeezed Juice Day," he cheered. National Fresh Squeezed Juice Day celebrates the healthy benefits and the simple pleasure of drinking pure fruit and vegetable juices. Before rice or processed juice and packaged drinks, people regularly consumed fresh juices pressed straight from whole ingredients. Citrus fruits like oranges and grapefruits were especially prized for juice. In the early 20th century, inventor Earl Brooke Hanson created a juicer that allowed people to make fresh squeezed orange juice at home. Fresh squeezed juice contains no added sugar, preservatives, or artificial flavors. It has more nutrients like antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals than processed juice. Drinking fresh fruit and vegetable juices has been linked to fighting cancer, nourishing skin, and lowering cholesterol. However, fresh juice must be consumed within a few days to gain the maximum nutritional benefits. For this reason, fresh squeezed juice was historically seen as an invigorating, healthy tonic. There are many ways to honor National Fresh Squeezed Juice Day. Some people start their day with a glass of orange juice or green juice. Others do a juice cleanser to detox and nourish their body. Many host brunches and cocktails featuring fresh squeezed juice and handcrafted juice cocktails. Juice bars create special promotions featuring fresh pressed juices and smoothies. Farmers markets set up juicers so people can make custom juice blends from locally grown produce. As Mark sipped his orange juice, he was happy to take part in this simple wellness ritual. While life often felt chaotic and stressful, his daily glass of fresh squeezed juice grounded him and reminded him of the basic ingredients for good healthy, wholesome foods, community, and self-care. He raised a second toast to healthy, nature, and the simple acts of nourishment that sustain us. On January 15th and every day, fresh squeezed juice nourishes the body and the soul. January 15 is National Fresh Squeezed Juice Day. Here is our painting with all your pastors for this special day. And have a wonderful National Fresh Squeezed Juice Day. Cheers!